Step into the regal realm of ornamental gardening with Peacock White Flowering Kale, a majestic and elegant addition to gardens and landscapes. Known for its striking white foliage and unique form, this kale variety adds a touch of sophistication to ornamental plantings. Peacock White Flowering Kale belongs to the same species as edible kale and cabbage. However, it is specifically cultivated for its ornamental features, showcasing an exquisite and intricate form that resembles a rosette. The peacock, in its name, aptly captures the kale's regal and decorative appearance. While Brassica has its origins in the Mediterranean region, Peacock White Flowering Kales has been selectively bred for ornamental purposes. Its cultivation as an ornamental plant has gained popularity in modern garden designs. Peacock White Flowering Kale is characterized by its large, frilly leaves that form a tight rosette in the center. The leaves exhibit a vibrant white color, creating a striking contrast with the surrounding greenery. As the plant matures, a tall stalk emerges from the center, adorned with intricate and decorative foliage resembling a peacock's display. Thriving in well-draining soil and full sun, Peacock White Flowering Kale is a hardy and adaptable ornamental. It can withstand cooler temperatures, making an excellent choice for fall and winter garden displays. Regular watering and soil enriched with organic matter contribute to optimum health. Peacock White Flowering Kale serves as a focal point in ornamental beds and pairs well with other cool season plants like pansies, violas, and ornamental grasses. Its unique form and contrasting color make it a versatile companion for various garden designs, providing visual interest and texture. Beyond its ornamental value, Peacock White Flowering Kale is often used in landscape designs to create an eye-catching display in beds and borders. While not typically consumed, this kale variety is prized for its visual impact. Unlike edible kale varieties, Peacock White Flowering Kale is not grown for culinary purposes. Its value lies in the ornamental qualities, contributing to its aesthetics of gardens and landscapes. In conclusion, Peacock White Flowering Kale reigns supreme as a symbol of majestic elegance in ornamental gardens. Embrace the splendor of the Peacock White Flowering Kale and add a touch of royalty to your garden.